Powfu.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Jose coming to you live from Mile High Customs. We have a brand new Audi S5. We're gonna wrap it. It's gonna go from red to satin white pearl with a black chrome delete. It's gonna look clean. Watch out for the video coming out when it's all done.
Powfu, walking into town as I cut across the park. It's rainy every day, maybe I should build an ark. See you with your friend group, lonely like I always am. Gave a silent wave, but I don't think you noticed it. Thinking of what happened as I continue my walk. I grew up in this town, but somehow I'm feeling lost. Wishing I was cool, why does everybody fit? And trying to make friends so long, it's time I quit this. Word around town that you hard to get. I'ma put an end to that, I'ma start some shit. I'll put a spark in it, yeah, I don't care what it takes. I'm sick of being alone, no longer on my way. Yeah, I just wanna chat. Maybe we can talk when we both walk back. Side by side on the sidewalk, feeling nervous. If you end up mind me and you will look perfect. Yeah.
So simple, loving, always here. It's just right, I can't explain it.
Me and you will look perfect. Me and you will look perfect. Me and you would look perfect. You could keep me by your side like a purse's purpose. I'ma find that with you. Everybody wanna talk about your attitude, but that's why I can see through all the problems. Seeing your priorities, I know I'm at the bottom. I promise that I'ma be the best for you. Like chess moves, you the queen, I'm protecting you. Come and walk with me and we could talk a bit. I could shelter you from all the moccasins. Lot of snakes in the grass where we live. It's not much, but I'll give you everything I have to give. My life, my soul, every beat of my heart. Ain't nobody in the world that could tear us apart. If you want, we could just slow dance. I could hold you forever, I just need one chance. Yeah.
It seems so simple, loving, always here. Feels just right, I can't explain. It's in the lost love. Waiting for your phone call. Yeah, it's me. Reminiscing the lost love.
Nowadays all I do is shine, take a breath and ease my mind, yeah. She don't cry no more. Tell me did I get her high, cause an angel's supposed to fly. I ain't asking why no more. know I take it if it's mine now, stay inside the lines, it ain't 2009 no more. Yeah, I know what's behind that door. Okay, you gotta jump in to swim, yeah. The light was dim in this life of sin. Every day I wake up and breathe, yeah. I don't have it all, but that's alright with me. Take it nice and easy, took a flight to see me. Send you back home with a light that's beaming. My whole team about to figure it out. We ice cold, that's what winter about. And sometimes, I wish I took a simpler route. Instead of having demons that's as big as my house. Have a ball with it, dribble and bounce. Cause the party ain't over till they kicking me out, yeah. Isn't it funny we can make a lot of money, buy a lot of things just to feel a lot of ugly, yeah. I was yay high and muddy, looking for what was looking for me. But I don't need to lie no more. Nowadays all I do is shine, take a breath and ease my mind, yeah. She don't cry no more. She tell me that I get her high, cause an angel's supposed to fly. I ain't asking why no more. I know I take it if it's mine now, stay inside the lines, it ain't 2009 no more. I know what's behind that door. Okay, they ask me what I'm smiling for, yeah. Because I never felt this high before. It's like I never been alive before, yeah. I'd rather have me peace of mind than war. You see me and you, we ain't that different. I struck the f*** out and then I came back swinging. Take some time to finish, mind my business. A life ain't a life till you live it. I was digging me a hole, big enough to bury my soul. Weight of the world, I gotta carry my own. With these arms, I can carry you home. I'm right here when you're scared and alone. You don't never gotta worry.